Portland's Department of Health and Human Services has just released its 2023 Year in Review Homeless Services Report.
News Center Maine's Alex Haskell is live outside Portland City Hall with the details. Alex?
Hi, Chris and Zach. Well, the report highlights what the city did well in its handling of the homelessness crisis this past year, as well as where it can make improvements this year. According to the report, 162 people were placed into housing last year, and the city's Housing Services Center served 645 people. The average length of their stay was around 29 nights. Portland's Interim Director of Health and Human Services, Shaza Stevenson, says one main takeaway from this report is that those experiencing chronic homelessness tend to live at encampments and were the most difficult to move into a form of shelter. Stevenson says during outreach efforts, 90% of people living at the Harbor View encampment, which was swept in January, said they were hesitant about taking beds at the city's Homeless Services Center. They said their biggest barriers were loss of autonomy, transportation, and concerns about storage. I asked Stevenson how she feels about handling the in-house situation so far this year.
I feel good. I think we really need to do more in terms of following the data. We've started a lot here and got a lot in our perspective, but I think there's room to grow there. I think it's really going to be on us to try again to get to know this population more in depth. I think that's integral to be able to deliver valuable, meaningful services to them and really hopefully make a difference.
Stevenson says HHS is preparing to launch the HOPE program. Its goal is to stably house a minimum of 45 households over the course of the year. Chris and Zach.
All right, Alex Haskell live outside Portland City Hall tonight. Thanks so much.